Question 2 is, please provide a copy of your company's health and safety policy and procedures document. A good way for a company to demonstrate their commitment to safety is through a comprehensive health and safety policy and procedures document. This policy will show how a safe and healthy workplace for all staff will be maintained and what procedures will be implemented to help achieve this. This question is worth 15 points, so to ensure you get it right, make sure the following evidence is provided. A valid health and safety policy and procedures document needs to relate to the current legislation, Health and Safety at Work Act 2015. Align with the type of work you are involved with. Be signed and dated by an officer of the company. Has been reviewed and/or updated within the last 24 months. Note: health and safety policy documents are available from a wide range of suppliers in New Zealand, including SiteSafe, who provide them for sale at a cost of around $90. A policy and procedures document is also included as part of SiteSafe's Small Business Safety Package membership, or as part of a health and safety kit.